my channel. If you're new to my channel, I am on a weight loss journey. That's not everything that I'll share on my channel, weight loss journey only. You know, I will be doing other little videos here and there. But for the most part, so far lately, what I will be sharing with you is my weight loss journey. So I just wanted to come and show you today some of the lean cuisines that I do have in my freezer as a backup when I don't feel like cooking, measuring, weighing, and doing all of that. Every little thing that, you know, you put in your mouth, you need to know and be mindful of what you're eating, especially if you're counting your calories, because, you know, 100 calories over, you've blown it for the day, you know, if you've set yourself for a certain amount of calories. So what I want to show you is some of my favorite lean cuisines. Like I said, my go-to when I don't feel like doing all of measuring and things and cooking are, number one, my favorite, one of my favorites. And this right here is 310 calories. Put it in the microwave for 4.5 minutes. Fish with the rice, and you have the little specks of the little taste of corn that give it a nice little sweet taste as well. And it's so good. Tortilla crusted fish, delicious, little cheesy taste as well. Good, really, really good. Put this in the microwave. If you have an air fryer, you could just maybe pop the fish in the air fryer by itself just for a little while, just to get that little crust taste to it. But without the air fryer, it's delicious. My second favorite is the classic. And this is the classic macaroni and beef. This is an all-time favorite of mine. It's been around for a long time. For this whole packet, it's 250 calories. Did I say how much this one is? For this whole packet is 310. 250. That's like a Snicker bar. Not bad. And for the third one that I love is the cheese fire roasted chili tamale. This right here. And for this whole packet, it's 330 calories. And like I said, these are just good to just grab when you want something hot to eat, or even just a little snack or whatever. And you just don't have the time to measure out and count, you know, every little thing. This is cooked for you, it's measured for you, and the calorie count is already there. So you know exactly what you're getting. Only thing about these, sometimes, you know, the pre-packaged foods, the frozen foods, you have to be mindful of your sodium. But I don't think, I'm not a nutritionist or anything, but this, say for instance, for one of these, and this comes in 2 packets of, it's packet like this. So for 2 of those, it's, let's see, 340 calories. It's 170 calories for just a pack of 3. So that's not bad if you just want something to eat right quick. And usually I'll put this in a microwave, and then once it's done out of the microwave, you know, you have the little packet, like the little hot pocket, you put it in. I'll throw it in my air fryer just to get a little crispy crunch to it. And good to go. So that's the Asian style chicken spring roll. Very good. And my last favorite is the garlic chicken spring roll. And this is the one I'm about to eat. I only have one left, and this is the one I was showing you right here. So this is the one I was about to eat. I said, you know, let me go ahead and share this with my YouTube family, so you can see, you know, lean cuisines is not a bad thing, and they have different brands and everything. Lean cuisines have been around. This is like the OG of the frozen food, and it's just good to have something to grab out your freezer when you, like I say, don't feel like cooking in your you know, don't feel like cooking and doing all the measuring and everything and counting the calories. Everything is done for you. It's already cooked. You know exactly what you're putting in your mouth, and you're good to go. So once again, this is some of my favorites. And I just thought I'd share it with y'all, since I am counting my calories right now. You know, this is not a bad decision that you can make. Something very quick, affordable, especially if you get them on sale. You can get them for like maybe $1 and something, depends on, you know, what store you're shopping at, you know, for a sale price. And I mean, that's not bad at all. And it saves you time. And yeah, it's good. So I just wanted to share that with y'all. That's my little quick go-to when I don't feel like cooking. For the last time, if I say that again. But yeah, it's delicious. And you have different varieties, whatever you're in the mood for. They do have breakfast. And one day maybe I'll do like a few day challenge where I have a lean cuisine for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. If you'd like to see a video, something like that, let me know. Leave a comment below, and I'll do like my own little lean cuisine challenge. Maybe that could be a thing. A lean cuisine challenge. See if you could do a lean cuisine maybe for 3 days straight for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and how creative you could become with that. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, comment, hit that notification bell so you know when I make another video. Don't forget to subscribe, and welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you. I hope I give you some content that you will enjoy, and I'll see you in my next video. And my son just came in with my Instacart order, but I'll see you in my next video. God bless.